Durable and sturdy. The Dream on Me Learning Tower and Step Stool is made of solid New Zealand pinewood for utmost stability, is portable, and easy to assemble. Safety all the way. This step stool comes with safety rails for additional child safety independence, along with an anti-slip top base and anti-skin bottom in a baby-safe, non-toxic paint finish. Multi-purpose learning. Be it for a fun baking time in the kitchen, learning how to brush their teeth, or exploring the outdoors, this learning tower easily adapts to new milestones. Aesthetic. Available in 4 versatile finishes for any decor aesthetic: white, Natura, black, and cool gray. Warnings. This product is meant for children aged 18 months to 3 years. Top reviews from the United States. So functional, buy it. This is a great learning tower and I only wish I had it when my older child was younger. I always thought I could get by with regular stools, but this one really gives you so much peace of mind when they're smaller. Little children can scramble up to see what's going on when you're in the kitchen without you rushing over to catch them from falling. Love to bake with your kids? This is a great way to get them up high without putting them up on the counter. I also love that it grows with them and can eventually just be used as a step stool. A great buy.